Here's my problem I have. The anchor box opens up too far and touches the boat right there. When it touches, it bends the hinge. So my fix for that is a stainless gas shock from Boat Outfitters. Put this in place, held the door up where I wanted it, put this in place before I screwed anything down. I put this in place. I marked the deck right here with a pencil. Then I closed the lid, tape measure from that pencil mark to 9 1/4 inches because the jack has a closed length of 9 inches. So I measured over 9 1/4 and marked the door. Then I opened the door, figured out where that 9 1/4 inches fell, held the jack back in place to make sure it would clear everything good. Use the tape measure, measure over from the sidewall to the inside of the anchor box right here. Measure that distance from this edge to here to make sure when it closes, it clears the inside of the anchor box. And then drill a couple little pilot holes, a couple of 1/2 inch stainless screws, number 10 stainless 1/2 inch long, 2 number 10 stainless 1/2 inch longs. Pop the cylinder into place. Make sure it closes. Perfect. That is a 15-inch, 20-pound stainless gas shock. I don't know the math, what it takes to figure that out. I just took a really good guess at it, but it worked fantastically. Now I don't have to worry about the hinges or the door getting messed up by being pinched back here in the boat. So if you have a project going on like this, go to it's Boat Outfitters online. They have all this stuff. Just order it. Just a couple of days it was here at the house, and it literally took me 30 minutes. Took more time to measure it and check it and measure it and check it than it did to actually put it together and be done with it.